Got the old fucking header cart back there, folks. Down the old Polaris. Fucking hauling ass. Old fucking 70. Some good wheat there, folks. Got a couple little fillers in there. Don't bother. My local farmer likes to have fillers in there for his horses. That brown ragweed, that's good shit. That's extras. That's like putting chocolate bars in there. Ain't bad. It's not bad. Well, it's not bad at all. That's a fucking cluster there. It's good shit. Ooh, we got some ragweed in there. Got some Alabama talon weed in there.
I think mine's going to yield better.
I think it's going to yield good with the fillers.
That's really soft. Yeah.
Man, we got a lot of fillers in there. Damn, that choked out the fucking wheat there. Right? This will be a little dirty, but oh well.
That's the wet spot.
Sell it to the fucking hobos.
Damn. Shake down here, boy.
Oh, damn, we got the shit. Fuck, you even spray this. I can spray the weeds. Fucking hobo farmer. Hobo farmer. There you go, folks. There's the old fucking long haul rigger coming in there. We got a fucking offload on him so we get on the boat tonight. Might have to fucking run over there.
He knows he's all.
I don't think he sees us.
I told him what to do.
But goddamn. Fucking site superintendent's here. Fucking boss hog.
Boss hog. Call him Boss Hog now.
Cause I got the fucking AC running and shit. Where's his tag-along car at?
I don't know. He'll probably just wait until that's full and then take it home tonight.
Well, I'd hope so. Probably what he's planning. He doesn't probably know where to come all the way back here.
I told him to.
Well, fucking you better go. Let's go. Come on. Start this unit. Up there and meet him. You know, truckers just don't pull in, goddamn. The fucking ferry's waiting for him. Fuck, Sky's almost got that fit.
I'm limited. I can't give it any more than this.
Right, you gotta put your seatbelt connected in.
That's it, dude. That's it. What's up, Boss Hog?
Hey, we got a lot of good stuff in here. All right.
You ever think about spraying?
Yes, we were. We're thinking about it. That was expensive though. We got to pay you first.
Well, I had this.
Yeah, it's fucking Toby-fied.
But you can pull in here, pull out back there, and make a loop.
There's big enough loop back there.
That's probably good. Wait, somewhere stupid ain't gonna fucking ram me or something. fucking is. He's pretty good at it lately. Oh, you got a little man with you. Attaboy.
Hell yeah! Watch out for that sinkhole.
Woo, that motherfucker. Man.
All right, folks, we're getting ready to pick the filler field with extras. That fucking dove. Sounds of the guns. Here he comes in with the John Deere 7200 special turbo fired. Lot of fillers. Lot of fillers. Lot of fillers. Horse farmers love these.
You're gonna have to edit this out.
Nope.